A.S. Madhavan, born 1950 at Malappuram district in Kerala. Son of Shulapani warrior and Padmavati Warasiyar, he hails from a joint family of 9 siblings. A simple man with a diploma in mechanical engineering traveled to Mumbai with only 24 rupees given by his father. With an aspiration for finding a job, he started working for many organizations in order to make a living. But inside, he had a vision and eager mind to flutter his wings and fly high.
He's not a person itself, he is an institution by himself.
He manages so many different things. Such a big family, he has such a huge business, and in spite of all of that, he runs like so many different social organizations. I'm just amazed at how much time he finds for some of these activities, and that's sort of an inspiration, big inspiration for me.
One day, with his extraordinary will, he flew to set up Flyjack Logistics, a globally acclaimed organization.
Flyjack is not an organization, but it is a movement. It is driven by a philosophy like customer delight, self-development, social and spiritual welfare.
He is also the co-founder of JWZ, JWR, Logistics Park and JWL Cold Store Warehouse. His professional dreams and achievements are only a tiny cog in a much larger wheel. With the Warrior Foundation, A.S. Madhavan emerges as a true Karma Yogi, where work and contribution has gone beyond the realm of business and personal rewards.
We have taken the path of Karma Yoga, having a platform of Warrior Foundation. As a Karma Yogi, Warrior Foundation is being committed to serve the society, the humanity, the nature, and seeing the world as Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, a universal family.
Through holistic education, we empower individuals to realize their full potential in professional, social, and spiritual dimensions. Manava Seva is the real Madhava Seva. The desire to educate at least one child other than one's own family is life's fulfillment. These are the 11 words of Raman Mama of Janakalyan Sevashram, who inspired A.S. Madhavan to launch the Balamantiram movement.
My aim is to educate poor orphan children. For that, there is no space at all. So he immediately offered me, I will buy a land and construct a building and give it to you free of cost.
मैं विष्णु प्रसाद गौतम, मैं समझता हूँ वॉरियर फाउंडेशन एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर बच्चे आकर के अपने भविष्य को, अपने चुने हुए मंजिलों को पाने में सफल हो सकते हैं और पढ़ करके, परिश्रम कर करके यहाँ से वो अपने जीवन को, अपने भविष्य को सुरक्षित महसूस कर सकते हैं.
At Panvel, Maharashtra, we have a Veda Vidya Gurukulam approved by Santipani Maharshi, Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pradhishthan.
Today, it is grown much beyond and getting into a real movement rather than just a foundation or some social activities. And also he believed that we should involve and enroll more and more people from the society. When we talk about Warrior Foundation, the major activities includes education to the needy children, to the deserving children, and also other areas which includes medical checkups, eye checkup camps, and blood donation camps. That was the speciality that tried to enroll as many people as possible for social activities. This was the main objective of Warrior Foundation, and that was the vision of Madhavan, Mr. Madhavan. When we talk about the education, it is not just giving them the literacy, but more important was building them as a good human being, where, you know, in Warrior Foundation we train them, not only give them the education, but train them in other aspects where the spiritual growth and then the internal growth is also focused, which includes giving them the training in yoga, a good disciplined life, also in terms of meditation and so on. The future vision includes, the children, when we need to build them up, it is not only just getting a graduation or a degree in hand, but more than that, how well they are able to interact with the society, how well they are able to build up their presence and then build up a career in the future. That is also equally important.
എൻ്റെ പേര് നിത്യ. ഞാനിവിടെ ശ്രീ ശങ്കരാചാര്യ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് സാൻസ്ക്രിറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ MA ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ ആണ്. 8ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ വന്നതാണ്. ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഏകദേശം 9 വർഷത്തോളമായി.
എൻ്റെ പേര് വിജിത. ഞാൻ ബാലമന്ദിരത്തിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ഇത് 9 വർഷം തികയുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ എൻജിനീയറിംഗ് ഫൈനൽ ഇയറിനാണ് പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ വന്നതിന് ശേഷമാണ് ഈ യോഗ, മെഡിറ്റേഷൻ ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാൻ പറ്റിയേ.
Currently, we have 3 Balamandirams at Tirunavaya in Malappuram district, Mazhavanur in Ernakulam district, and Panvel in Maharashtra. We have 3,000 plus children educated, including 500 plus girls, more than 100 plus professionals generated from our Balamandiram alumni. Today, we are providing free education, shelter and healthcare for more than 300 deserving lesser privileged children at our centers. Madhavan's wife, Dr. Geeta Madhavan, and his children, Divya and Dhruva, are an integral part of Warrior Foundation's social activities.
He's a very spiritual person, and he feels that through meditation and enlightenment or self-realization, he can connect himself to God, and that's how he wants to go further towards self-realization. He says when he's meditating, he can really get solutions for so many problems, whatever he's facing, or day-to-day life, or whether it is customer or his wife or his children or the family people. He sees things clearly when he's meditating.
Derived from the motto Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, is our universal center for individual integration. This center at the scenic location of Tirunavaya has 40 residential rooms, a spacious auditorium, classrooms and tiny hall equipped with large kitchen. Our universal center has received approval under Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Skill Development Scheme of the central and state government to run residential vocational courses on logistics, tourism and hospitality. This skill development project will provide 350 unemployed youth an opportunity to become self-reliant. Situated on about 50 acres of land, the Jnana Seva Kendram, located in Anakati near Coimbatore, is a community development center for serving the tribal communities. This center has a large auditorium, 50 rooms, 10 independent guest houses, making it the perfect place for corporate training, residential seminars, workshops, etc. Free swing training, agricultural training, satsangs and medical camps are being conducted here regularly. Under Warrior Foundation's free housing initiative, in collaboration with like-minded NGOs and corporates, 250 homes have been constructed for Adivasis and flood-affected families in Kerala. Warrior Foundation's dream is to build 1,000 low-cost homes. We are also extending construction support for public facilities like hospitals, forest stations, village road development and more.
I have known Madhavan nearly for 20 years, being the MD of Flyjack, and I've always seen his love to work, love to people, love to contribute. All right, and therefore as a person I feel Madhavan is a very, very beautiful person. He gives not the best who gives the most, but he gives the most who gives the best. I think he's giving his best, all right, to whatever he is doing, the work, the social service, the humble person that he is. And even my works on Manase Relax Please, which became an all-time bestseller in Malayalam, he came so forward to translate this in Malayalam. So he always is a beautiful giver, giver, giver.
Mr. Madhav Warrior, at the time of affiliation, and this area being a rural one, and we were not able to raise funds sufficiently, and we were not able to complete this building. At that time, he came to our rescue and donated money for the construction of classrooms in his father's name.
Warrior Foundation has received several accolades and awards for its valuable contribution towards the society at large.
I am blessed and have my salutation to my father and mother for giving me a culture of social commitments. I always found whatever they had, they wanted to give it to the people and the society, and they never thought of tomorrow, and they lived for the moment. Let us visualize and make it as a movement and see that all the people are joining on this movement. I am sure we all can make a difference to not only for ourselves, for our own contentment and happiness, because when we are doing social work, that's what we are going to get it. But much more than that, for the society, getting a feeling of Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, a universal family.
Namaste. Come, join us at Warrior Foundation.